in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your MacBook is not connecting to your Wi-Fi network. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be just to restart your device and then attempt to see if you're able to connect back to the Wi-Fi. And in that same spirit or concept, I'd also recommend restarting your router if it's accessible. So I would just go to that and unplug it and then plug it back in about 30 seconds later. So those are the immediate things that I recommend taking a look at here. And once you've done that, you can also select the date and time settings up at the top here. Make sure that is set correctly. If not, you may have to just right click on them and then change your date and time settings. If it's incorrectly dated, that's certainly a reason why you might not be able to get online. And that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.